We are here with my friend Chuck with Fruit 2 Car Wash.
Yes, sir.
And we are going to wash a car today because my friend Matt Bocchino here participated in our charitable giving campaign, and this is just what we do. And luckily we can do it year-round. So it's time for us to get going on this car, this huge car that Matt has brought us today. Thankfully he didn't bring his family 18-wheeler in, but let's get going. It's on purpose?
Maybe, maybe not. I have kids.
What are you talking about?
Wow. Got a little work ahead of us.
That's okay, you get a free pass today.
Steve, thank you for not sucking this up in the vacuum. This is Pumpkin's shoe. That's Pumpkin was a doll we took out earlier. She needs this for when the temperature goes below 70 degrees. She needs the foot protection, so thank you for not sucking that up.
Been there, done that.
Hey, when do you get my mask?
What?
I think you forgot the mask. What are you getting those?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, don't come later.
Yeah, don't forget the back.
You mind doing? I noticed you weren't doing like with the grain of the fake wood. Did you go back?
You mean
over
the plastic?
Yeah.
The grain of the plastic. Yeah.
I appreciate that.
We'll work on that, yeah.
We should get this. It's like a mosquito.
If you would drive a little slower, it would give the mosquitoes the time to get out of the way.
It behooves them to get out of my way.
Oh, we got...
The only thing I like more than a new car is no car payments.
I can't see my face, which is might be a good thing, but
There's your face.
there it is. Jaguar's logo is clean. I like that.
A compliment. We got a compliment.
You see a smudge here.
Looks like your thing. 3 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up. Thank you, Steve. I appreciate it.
Thank you for participating in the campaign.
My pleasure.
Cut.